To us, this world is but a stretch of dirt and gravel, a backdrop to our busy lives. But if we lower our gaze, just a few inches from the surface, a different reality begins to breathe. Here, time moves to a different drumbeat. Every vibration in the soil is a message. Every gust of wind is a storm carrying the chemical scent of 1,000 miles. We call ourselves the masters of the earth, yet beneath your feet at this very moment lies a civilization whose numbers dwarf every human who has ever lived. They are the true, ancient owners of the subterranean world. Watch them. Tiny shadows moving with a purpose we can barely comprehend. They do not see the world as we do. They feel it through the rhythm of the earth itself. Step inside this small, unassuming hole. Behind this portal lies a masterpiece of civil engineering. This is no mere burrow. It is a sprawling metropolis with a climate control system more efficient than our own. These workers regulate the temperature to within a single degree, simply by moving individual grains of sand, one by one, hour by hour. There are nurseries for the young, logistical warehouses organized with surgical precision, and even designated waste chambers to prevent the spread of disease. They build without a compass, without a blueprint, and in absolute darkness. They build with an instinct etched into their DNA over 100 million years. Every grain of soil moved is a testament to a devotion that knows no I, only we. In the deepest chamber, isolated and guarded by a wall of living bodies, resides the Queen. She wears no crown, yet she is the absolute center of this universe. Her role is not to rule through fear, but to function as the heartbeat of the colony. She is a biological marvel, a factory of life that never sleeps. She may live for 30 years, outlasting empires, producing millions of lives. But her existence is one of sacred imprisonment. Since the day of her nuptial flight, she has never seen the sun again. Her presence is a chemical glue through her pheromones. She whispers to the colony that all is well. Should she die, the symphony of this city would collapse into a cacophony of panic, a masterpiece losing its conductor. Return now to the surface. Observe this long, winding caravan. This is the most efficient logistics line in the natural world. A scout has found a fallen insect, a mountain of protein for the Empire. She does not keep this prize. She returns with a story. She touches her antennae to her sisters, a chemical handshake that transmits data, coordinates, distance, and quality. Within seconds, a highway is born. If you look through a microscope, you see a constant conversation. There is no ego here. If one worker falters, another takes the burden without hesitation. But this path is fraught with peril. The scent of wealth attracts shadows, rival colonies. War among ants is a total war. They do not know the meaning of a ceasefire. They fight to the last limb, using formic acid and jaws that can shear through chitin like steel. It is a world of fierce loyalty and absolute consequence. What makes them so extraordinary? An individual ant possesses a brain smaller than a speck of dust, but the colony as a whole possesses a super brain. They solve complex mathematical problems, finding the shortest route between 2 points with the precision of an algorithm. They act as one. When the floods come, they do not scatter. They lock limbs and jaws, weaving their own bodies into a living raft that floats upon the surface. The queen and the larvae are placed in the center, the safest, driest point. They will float for days if necessary, sacrificing the few so the many might survive. As the sun sets and the shadows of giants stretch across the dirt, we realize that greatness is not measured by stature. These architects of the dust survived the dinosaurs. They watched continents drift, and they will likely be here long after our steel towers have crumbled. Next time you see a lone ant on your floor, stop. You are not looking at a small insect, you are looking at an ambassador from the most successful empire the Earth has ever known.